Hi everyone, this is Dr. Barrow. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown on how to navigate this particular course in our new Canvas shell. So when you go to your dashboard, you've already found our course. You've already seen this screen, and you of course went to start here. There are some other important links that you might find useful. Your academic calendar for JSU is here. This is going to tell you all your important dates at JSU for this semester and upcoming semesters. Nursing faculty, this is not just myself. This is going to be all of the nursing faculty and staff. So if you need to get in touch with someone in our department, this is a good link for you. Your grades, some links to the JSU library. You will find that in this program, JSU Library is a very handy and important resource for you. And then some information on our programs here. So we're going to go back to start here. And you, of course, came to this page, and that was where you found your video. If you scroll down, there are drop-down tabs, and each one of those has information under it. And I will not go through all of those because you already probably have looked at them. You are required to look at each tab here. If you go to your course calendar, there's going to be some important information. For all courses, please be sure that you look at the calendar, download it to your computer, and print it off. Highlight it, do whatever you need to make sure that you don't miss your due dates. Next is your syllabus. Again, that is printable. Each class follows JSU grading policies, but we also grade in a different manner specific to that class. So while we follow the general guidelines, your grading may be different. So it's really important to read your syllabus for each class. They are all different. As you scroll down, also, you're going to see your textbooks and materials. This is how we grade for this course, how your grades are weighted in different amounts. So when you calculate any grade, this is what you should be coming to look at. All right. Your Scholars Code and Professional Behavior Policy. This is going to be important for all of our nursing students, including you. All students are required to follow our Professional Scholars Code and our Behavior Policy. And so be sure that you look at those carefully, and you will have to acknowledge that you've looked at everything, specifically these, but everything on this page in your assignment in just a moment. Here's the other tabs with information. Your assignment is here. This is where you're going to have to acknowledge that you've looked at all those memos that I told you about, everything that's under here. So you're going to follow the directions. It tells you what to cut and paste. Cut that area, paste it. You're going to go up to the very top. It's not on my screen, but it will be on yours. It will say submit at the top. And you're going to paste that there, and then you're going to follow the directions. That way, that's your first assignment to say that, yes, I completed it. I looked at everything that I was supposed to look at. We're going to go down now, and we're going to hit the next button. This is how we know that you have signed in and that you're active in the class. And it tells us also something about yourself. So read this, answer the questions, and then that's going to go to the discussions, like your discussion board in Blackboard. This will use a couple different terminology, but it's very similar to the lingo in Blackboard and very easy to pick up on. You're going to post when you want to write something, and you're going to hit reply to answer other students' posts. Now you're going to hit next, and because there's not anything else in Start Here, it's going to take you directly to Module 1. In Module 1, and for each module, you will have just a short synopsis of what the module contains on the first page. Sometimes there will be videos like there is here, and it's going to explain to you what you need to do. Moving forward, after you submit that, let's go back for just 1 second. Okay. So that was your synopsis of the module. Here are your resources to enhance learning. Each module in each course will have these typically. Every once in a while they will not, but most of them do, and this course does. Sometimes there will be videos, sometimes there will be web links, sometimes there may be documents or PowerPoints, but whatever it is, it's going to be useful for you in completing the assignment for that particular module. When you're finished there, you're going to move to the next place, which is your assignment. For your assignment tab, you're going to read all the information, follow the grading rubric or the examples that are posted, and submit it here. Then, when you move forward based on what module you're in, sometimes you will have discussion boards, which they would come next. Sometimes there will be quizzes in other classes. This particular class does not have any quizzes at this point. So for Module 1, you're finished. And if you hit Next, it takes you directly to Module 2. You're going to do the same thing there. Each module is set up in a very similar manner. If you go back to the modules, that's where you can go and see this screen. It tells you what exactly is in the course and what exactly each module has. They will all have a green check if those are active for that particular module. So you're going to work your way through all of those. You have your discussions, your quizzes, if those are applicable to the course that you're in, and then your grades. That's going to be like your grade book. So this is a basic overview of everything that's going to be kind of most frequently used for the course. If you have any specific questions, please let me know. Be sure that you kind of take a moment to say, is this a technology question? Because if it is, I'm probably going to direct you to Canvas Help. They have a great resource that's available 24 hours a day that you will be able to access on your screen. You can also contact the IT department in Jacksonville, but they do ask that you contact Canvas first because they specialize in that area. And then always let me know when you're having a problem as well. I appreciate you taking a moment to listen to this video, and let me know if you have any questions.